Are you tired of feeling like your wealth is growing at a snail's pace? Ever wonder why it seems like amassing that first $100,000 is the financial equivalent of climbing Mount Everest? Well, you're not alone. Even legendary billionaire investor Charlie Munger acknowledges that the journey to your first six figures can be the toughest. But here's the exciting part. Once you break through that initial barrier, it's like unlocking a secret vault of wealth, building momentum. Picture this. You hit 100K, then boom. Dollar beyond. It's like a financial domino effect. So why does it get easier? Let's dive into the psychology and strategies behind this phenomenon so you can fast-track your way to financial freedom. Hello there. This is John, your navigator through the labyrinth of money matters, personal financing and investment. If you're eager to supercharge your fiscal future, click that subscribe button and prepare yourself for some revolutionary knowledge. Now, the foremost challenge people encounter is just initiating the process of investment. Seems simple to postpone, doesn't it? You convince yourself, I'll dive in once my pockets are heavier. You know what? That's similar to waiting for a fire to generate warmth before tossing in the logs. Investing doesn't necessarily mean possessing heaps of cash. Initially, it's more about augmenting your wealth progressively. And then comes the element of fear. How many of you have come across someone remark, investing is extremely hazardous? But here's the fact. Every voyage commences with that primary stride, despite the end line appearing miles apart. It's about accepting measured risks and understanding that postponing your financial advancement only extends the journey. And so if you're still slogging towards that six-figure milestone, here's the strategy. Concentrate on enhancing your income, trimming down unnecessary expenditure, and maintaining discipline with your savings. It's all about setting the groundwork for a future that's devoid of financial stress. And once you surpass that $100K landmark, remember the path to $1 million becomes considerably smoother with compound interest. As your companion, you'll observe your wealth skyrocket to unprecedented levels with each passing year. So the next occasion you find yourself fretting over your financial situation, just recall the journey might be strenuous in the beginning, but the payoffs are more than worth the struggle. Persist in moving ahead, maintain discipline, and sooner than you think, you'll be celebrating your most prosperous financial phase. Now let's talk about the magic of compound interest. When you're hustling to reach that $100K milestone, most of your contributions are coming from your own sweat and tears. But once you hit that mark, compound interest kicks into high gear. Suddenly your money starts working for you. Not just you working for your money. Think about it. A $5,000 investment earning a 10% return may not seem like much at first, but when you're dealing with 6 or 7 figures, those returns become life-changing. We're talking thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars in growth annually. And that's when things get exciting. You start looking for ways to supercharge your portfolio because the rewards are too good to ignore. Whether it's boosting your income, seeking higher returns, or simply being more mindful of your spending, every decision becomes a strategic move towards financial freedom. But reaching $100K isn't just about the money, it's about unlocking a world of possibilities. Suddenly you have the flexibility to seize opportunities that once seemed out of reach. Whether it's pursuing a higher-paying job, launching your own business, or diving into lucrative investments, the sky's the limit and that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to unlock your financial potential. Let's quickly recap what we've learned in this journey. First, we embarked on a journey to $100K, understanding that it's not just a financial milestone, but a turning point that opens the door to a world of opportunities. Then we jumped over the investing hurdles, proving that the path to financial success is not without its challenges, but they can be overcome with knowledge, patience and resilience. Next, we delved into the magic of compound interest. Remember, it's not just about working for your money, but having your money work for you. Now it's time for you to take these insights and turn them into action. Start implementing these strategies today. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day and your journey to $100K won't be either. But with each step, you're closer to unlocking a world of financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have tons of financial advice coming your way to help you on your journey to financial success. Remember, the journey to $1 beyond starts with a single step. So take that step today and unlock your secret vault of wealth.